dispute with big daddies of oil, political controversy, lack of regulatory clarity and a long list of pending arbitration is what greeted Pradhan on day one in office. He had to bear the brunt of investors when the government decided to defer the gas price hike decision.
The comprehensive discussion are required on this issue. We have deferred this issue for 3 months.
Luckily for the Odisha-based politician, the tide then took a sharp turn. A crash in global crude oil prices brought down diesel under-recoveries sharply. After numerous meetings with Modi and Jaitley, this first-time minister on October 18th announced 2 landmark reforms that veterans before him could not: diesel deregulation and hiking of domestic gas prices.
फ्यूचरिस्टिक इस देश को अगर विश्व की एक मजबूत स्थिति पे विश्व के अंदर ले जाना है, इसके फंडामेंटल्स को ठीक करना पड़ेगा। आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बाजार में जिस ढंग से क्रूड ऑयल की प्राइस घटी है, भारत की उपभोक्ताओं को उसकी सुविधा, उसकी बेनिफिट पास नहीं होनी चाहिए थी।
Experts argue that Pradhan had just been fortunate, for it was UPA 2 that initially pushed for a monthly price correction in diesel, bringing diesel prices up by 9 rupees eventually. And global crude prices at a 5-year low is just icing on the cake. The BJP, however, is basking under all this glory. And it is not Block's boss whose fiscal math seems to now be in order. Revival of investments in domestic production in India's oil and gas sphere is Pradhan's mandate, one that has been chalked out by none other than Prime Minister Modi himself.
Reducing India's import dependency, auctioning of oil and gas reserves in the 10th round of NELP and incentivizing exploration is high on the to-do list of Oil Ministry officials come 2015. Clearly, wooing the big guns in the energy business back into India is top priority for them. Nitya Balakrishnan, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.